What we've seen take place in the last 2 years has been the most rapid transformation of any industry I've ever seen. When you look at the whole thing, 10 years out, the legal cannabis industry, hemp, and all of them combined could be $200 billion a year. It's massive, and it's going to be expanding at a rate that is unprecedented, nearly doubling every year for very likely the next 6 or 7 years as it becomes a regulated market. Is this a good time for investors to be getting involved? The answer is, it's a good time for investors to be getting involved as long as, one, they've done their due diligence and they know what they're getting involved in fact. Two, they have the risk tolerance for a very high risk, very fast growing industry that is going to be dependent on due diligence and research like nothing I've ever seen before, because of the fact that every state market right now is different, every country is different, and they're adapting and changing dramatically. And then most importantly, as long as the investors realize, sure, you can get in and see unprecedented valuation shifts in short periods of time, because as you migrate the black market to the regulated market, what happens is you're creating an opportunity for a pre-existing industry to be more comfortable for the consumer, so there's no new consumer behavior other than doing something easier than what they've been doing before. That leads to very rapid valuation shifts. The key is to be able to get in and get liquidity and know how to do that and plan for that from the beginning. If an investor can approach it that way and can understand how to create a strategy for themselves, then they absolutely should be looking at this market.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Downey from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here, and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.